Hey everybody, welcome back to day 12 of Vlogmas. So right now it is 6:12 on Saturday night and my friend and I were supposed to hang out, but with everything going on with COVID and stuff, we decided just to not because of Christmas coming up. So instead we're gonna do like a virtual wine night. So I thought I would do like a little kind of like self-care Saturday night routine. Just what I'm doing tonight. Derek's at hockey, so it's just me and Rugs, and I'm gonna take him out and then I'm gonna make my drink for our FaceTime.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for.
So I just did a quick cardio session and Rug was having a nap. He's very sleepy. I'm just gonna let him out now and put wood on the fire, and then I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Pee break, bud. Oh, little Steph after that sleep. It was a really good session. I didn't work out today. I had AW for lunch. My belly didn't feel that great after that, but I just felt like I needed to, so. Lots of snow. This one. My husband can fill it when he gets home.
Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change.
Okay, so I'm just gonna edit this very short video probably, and have some time with Rug, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I hope you enjoyed. I just wanted to throw this little Saturday night routine in there, and I will see you in the next one.